Hello world, welcome back to Razor RC. Got a fun little unboxing for you today. A lot of people have been asking me to review the Xray XB4, so I picked this up. Yeah, the Xray XB4 21 edition, and this is the carpet version. They also make a dirt version. This is the very first Xray I've ever reviewed on my channel. I have done tons of other four-wheel drive buggies, and people keep saying, you gotta review the Xray. So super happy and pleased to be able to do that for you on the channel. I got mine from Euro RC, so we were able to kind of come up with a little partnership, a coupon code for everyone. Definitely check them out, eurorc.com. That helps me also as well. I don't make any money or anything, but I am super happy to be able to partner with them and provide this kit for you. So let's take a look at the kit. Here's a little information on the bottom. High competition, quality, 10 scale, blah, blah, blah. Should you be missing a thing, contact your distributor, etc. Made by Xray Model Racing Cars, which is in Slovakia, Europe. A little information here on the side. So this is the XB4C, the carpet edition. They also make a dirt version, 2021. Made in Slovakia, as we mentioned. Nothing else over here. In the back side, pretty much just another picture of the kit. So they did change the body, and that's what you see here. And we're gonna just pop open the seals. I have not taken a look inside yet. Very first time opening and checking out an Xray. So the XB4 has been around for, I think, since 2012. I think it was the very first time they released the XB4. So yeah, over the years, they've obviously made improvements and stuff. And if you look at pretty much every modern buggy today, pretty much the Yokomo, the Team Associated, the TLR, almost every buggy, with exception to the Schumacher and the Techno, follows a very similar design, which is what a lot of people say is a copy of the Xray. I think 2016 is when they kind of came out with that standard classic modern look. So you get a little certificate of authenticity, a special serial number, verification key. I don't know what that is. Maybe you get a little secret passcode to do something there. The fancy schmancy Xray XB4 manual. We can take a look at that real quick. Xray is known for a few different things, one of which being really nice kits, really expensive kits, really good manuals. So quick look inside. High quality, high gloss manuals, full color pictures. This is the same instruction manual for both the carpet and the dirt, and they kind of give you a little color-coded information there. You know, if you're running dirt, you get 1.2 millimeter anti-roll bars. Carpet, you get 1.8. So really fancy, high-quality manual. Probably the nicest manuals on the market today. And they got all their fancy Hootie tools. These are also fairly expensive. Little parts guide, it looks like. Some language or information I'm not aware of. Huge parts diagram, and then spare parts list as well on the back. And they tell you whether it comes in the kit, I guess dirt or, oh, what is that? Yeah, carpet or dirt, as well as option parts. Finally, you get your Xray sticker, so you can outfit your kit with tons of stickers. So yeah, we're gonna go through this. I've never seen an Xray kit before. This is pretty dang exciting. I guess a little tracking numbers for, I don't know, different parts packaged by this person here. Email them if you're missing parts. So parts look like they come on parts tree, so you will have to get out your flush cutters. More information about who it was packaged by. Looks like some foam, maybe for the batteries or something. A little tray, looks like maybe an ESC tray. Just plastic servo horn. So I will probably pick up an aluminum servo horn. Man, every single piece is got a little piece of paper telling you who put it together, so you know who to yell at and get mad at if you're missing some parts. This one packaged by Sediva. I guess this is bag 6. Even the inside bag was packaged by Sediva. So Very interesting, Adam Kova. I'm learning a lot of like Slovakian names here. Aluminum shock bodies, plastic shock caps, looks like molded pistons, molded internals, a lot of O-rings there. It looks like silicone X-rings. Looks like just plain steel shock shafts, I believe. I don't think they're coated with anything special. Somebody let me know. Steel hollow balls on the shocks, so pretty cool. Looks like little shock limiters as well. Spring wise, I think it's like 4-dot front, 3-dot rear. So they make a wide variety of springs, progressive, linear, different lengths as well. XB4 springs I think are different than the XB2 springs. Looks like these are the differentials. So again, a lot of stuff on parts trees. You will have to trim stuff out yourself. Little steel washers. I believe the gears are actually plastic or composite inside. So or they call them graphite, so I guess some sort of carbon composite. Pretty cool. Here's your shock oils in your standard CST rating. A lot of people don't realize this, but CST is kind of the standard viscosity rating for oils. This, 30 weight, 40 weight stuff is not really a standard thing. Comes with a little graphite grease, pretty cool. 10K diff oil front and rear, I believe. Ball bearings with oil. So these are not grease. So these are like their high speed bearings, much like Team Xray is doing. They're just oil bearings, spin a lot more free. Very good for you stock racer, spec racer type guys and gals out there. Less resistance. Looks like some screws, wheel nuts, more. Man, I guess that's just what these little cards are. Just a little wood grain, simulated wood grain type stuff with a name. Here's the body. Pretty cool looking body. It is new for 2021. They have a different body for the dirt version and the carpet version. I believe the carpet one is a little bit lower, so you got to trim it down a little bit more. Wheels in the box. So these are Xray wheels, super light. I believe the rears are kind of your standard Schumacher type rears. And then front wheels should also be sort of what they call IFMAR offset or Schumacher offset wheels. So we'll have to measure these and find out for sure. I do have a video on four-wheel drive buggy wheels if you're curious. Here's the wing. Again, a different wing for the dirt version and the carpet version. I believe the carpet one is just a little bit lower. Less downforce because you don't need that so much on high grip. Nice skinny little anodized aluminum chassis here. So I believe it's 2 millimeters thick. In your traditional black anodization fur hoodie or fur Xray. And then, here's your big bag of the heavy stuff. So it looks like chassis stiffeners for the spine, your front spindles, rear hubs. I'm not sure why this is so heavy. There's some steel pieces in here. It looks like CVAs, dog bones. What else we got here? Some other parts that's on parts trees, all your screws and nuts. What do we got here? Bag 5, I believe. So this looks like your steering rack. So it does have a servo saver. As far as I know, this is the only 10-scale four-wheel drive buggy that has a servo saver. It is adjustable, so you can tighten it down, but I did find that really interesting. Pretty much everybody else just uses like just a solid steering rack, and you end up just using like an aluminum servo horn and not worrying about braking stuff. So here's your suspension arms. I don't think there's any change here. They do make them in a couple different materials. I believe these are the hard arms, and they also make the graphite or carbon arms as well. Looks like the eccentric inserts. So changes on the 21 Xray XB4. Pretty much changed the ABCD hinge pin braces. They changed the discs, so they're now adjustable. They actually have adjustable center drive shafts as well, so you can raise and lower them. I don't know, changed the battery strap, changed the shock towers, I believe. I believe they're like a little bit lower now than before. The shocks are 2 millimeters shorter than before. So probably their biggest update to this kit since it's been released. Lots and lots of changes. Here's a little side rails, much like many other buggies on the market today. Just a thin little aluminum chassis with plastic side rails. I did realize the reason they do that nowadays is for more flex. If you're using a completely aluminum chassis like I have on my Schumacher, you do notice that there's just not enough flex. So I understand why they do it. Here's your little Velcro. I believe this is official Velcro, not your hook and loop branded stuff, but real Velcro, and then antenna tube. So yeah, that's pretty much what you get in the box. You know, not as many parts as I would have expected. Seems like a fairly simple vehicle overall. You know, a lot of kits nowadays pretty much all follow the same general design, and there's really minor changes, and I feel like Xray felt like they had to kind of up their game, so they went kind of crazy with this. Adjustable diff heights, adjustable center drive shaft heights. They have like a two-way slipper. Now you can adjust tension front and rear on your slipper pads. Updated ABCD blocks that are like reversible, so you can raise or lower the ABCD blocks depending on whether you want your low roll center or high roll center. New body, so pretty much the whole kit is all new. New battery strap, as I mentioned. Yeah, really cool, and super excited about picking this up. Definitely check out eurorc.com, save some money, and support the channel at the same time. So thanks for watching. Definitely hit the like, share, subscribe button. Look for more videos soon. Thanks for watching.